Trying to get in here. I didn't get the guy shooting the thumb over there, but he was shooting the thumb. Oh, look out there. Man. Oh yeah, bring it in, Big Daddy, bring it in. That other boat's almost made it up there. These guys are just about there. Getting that airboat all took care of. Oh yeah. Going for it. Good job. I guess they got it just like that. Good job. Guy gone to go get that airboat. Gonna bring it over here. That poor lady's still sitting in the sun waiting for the trailer to get back. It had to be a good 10 minutes by now. Look out! Get it. Very cool. Yeah. He's going for his. He might have made it there. Not sure. She just put her hands up in the air like, what's going on? Lady's still waiting. Probably at least 15 minutes now. I don't know. This guy's with her, but I'm not sure what's happening. Yeah, if you ever get a chance, take a ride on one of those things, man. Wow. Trying to get this boat out of here. Stay out. Okay, have fun. Have fun. All right. So, someone's, whoops, sorry about that. Someone's blowing a horn over here. Well, maybe that Sea-Doo's coming, that trailer's coming for that Sea-Doo. Oh, maybe that's not her trailer. Here he comes again. Boy, that wind's picking up. It's still real sunny and stuff, but boy, that wind's going. All right, let's see what happens here. Element. Another bass boat light coming over there. Oh, look out there. Man, look out. Almost threw that guy a little bit. Heavy on the gas there, that's for sure. Here comes this boat. That's nice. 40 on it. Gee, I don't know what kind of boat he has. This guy's trying to get to the dock. He's all over the place. He's going. He did 2 circles. Now he's going backwards, and he almost threw the guy backwards out into the seat. I think to where he ended up. Now he's trying to get up to the ramp still. Everybody's in the boat, kind of looking at him like, "What's happening here?" It's pretty windy out here. Oh, look at the guy in there. Oh, look out. Use the wind. Use the wind. Drift up to that dock right there on the right. The wind is blowing that way. That's what I would do. I'd go right up along that dock right there on the right side of the boat. The wind would have pushed him right up there. Going for it. Finally. Kept that lady waiting all that time. Wow. Isn't that something? Probably at least 15, 20 minutes, I would say. It is windy, guys. It's going kind of crazy out here a little bit. It's nice how they got that trailer made for this. Well, I know there's a lot of people still out, but I think we might cut out before long. We're waiting on the trailer there. Those things must be pretty sturdy. Oh, look out. Oops, sorry. That's cool how how they use that type of a boat, you know. I think the trailer's coming. The truck's just kind of setting over there, tying the boat down right in the middle of the drive. This guy's waiting. That's his boat there. I think that's what he's trying to get. Yeah, that boat's light. Probably have to tie it down before you go too far with it. That trailer on the right's coming in. These guys are making it off the boat there. Trailer coming. Oh, she finally got off the Sea-Doo. Hope everybody had a great weekend last weekend. I was off in Georgia, stuck off up in Georgia is where I was. And I never did make it over here last weekend, so that's why I wanted to get here this weekend for sure. I wasn't supposed to leave the house for too long. Uh-oh, look out. Hey, man. Hey, man. Oh, sorry, man. I didn't get him too good, I don't think. Okay. They getting that? Okay. See, that's why. That's why. More power to everybody. Never give up. Never, never give up. Fight, fight, fight. Another boat making it. There's just always such a madhouse over here. So many boats and so many people everywhere. Okay, man. Take her home. Big dualies on the back. Jacked up in the air. Boy. That's why we never tied them very much. 2 people or more, we never tied the boat. Big dually made it over. Still trying to untie that boat. You just got it. Well, guys, I think we will call it so I can get back and make sure everything's going all right at the house. That's working on that surprise. I think everything will be all right for a couple of hours. I can't really be gone a long time from the house. Oh boy, look out. Hey, this guy's trying here. Having a hard time. That big dually there, he's trying to get in. Working his ropes over there. Oh, ooh, ooh, ooh. Sorry guys, I didn't get it. You must probably heard it. Man, oh, look at the motor, guys. Look at the motor. Oh, look out. The motor, something ran right into the dock. I don't know what, but guys up there by the trailer trying to tell him how to. Uh-oh, look out. He's banging the front up now. All you need is a rope on the front. Toss it to that guy up there, and he can help guide you in. Oh man, look out. That big boat on the right, he's trying to... He's headed in. Oh man, this guy's headed way back out again. Boat in here, guys. A little John boat coming up.
Alright, I'm not fast, so I'm not having to call
making it in. They made it. Hopefully they had a great day out there. Wow, very cool. I remember those days. Grab a hold of them, hang on to them. They'll be gone before you know it. And you'll wonder what happened. Yeah, you'll wonder what happened. Or things will happen and then you still wonder, why did that happen? You know, the people out there that stuff like that happens to knows what I mean. Sometimes things happen out of your hands. You can't do anything about it, you know. Made this one up. He was all over, but he made it. Okay. Guy gone to go get this trailer. Get this out of here.